Tan 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 tan. Yeah, yeah. What's up? Yeah. Oh, what's up?
Hi everyone, welcome back to neknatural. In this video I'm going to show you how I did this stitch braidless crochet. I've gone ahead to detangle my hair and part my hair the way I want the stitches to be. So I divided my hair into three. The back is where I'm going to do the stitches and the front is a different style. So please keep on watching. So parting the back of my hair without mirror has been a difficult thing. I believe many people still experience the same thing. So you have to part your hair in tiny sections, applying some gel. Here I use a olive oil gel. Then you brush it or you comb it and hold it with elastic band. So that was what I did on the 2 sessions. And it took me enough time to do that because handling my hair behind is somehow difficult. I'm not the only one experiencing that. Many people can bear witness of that. But when you have to do it, you have to do it. So this is how the stitches should look like after you have finished holding them with an elastic band. What it shall look like. So after making the stitches, I twisted the hair to join the section in front. I hope you understand what I'm doing. What you have to do, you start from the back, you twist, you take the other one, you join it, you twist. That is what you'll be doing till you get to the last one. Then you hold it with elastic band. I'm so sorry for not staying at the center of the camera. I didn't know I was by the side of it. You know, you cannot see your back. You don't have eyes at the back. You can carry the hairstyle by turning the front section into a puff or bun if you like, but I did 2 styles here. This one is the one you can do, just turning the front one into a bun or puff. Then the next one is the one I did. I crocheted some hair at the front to give it a different look. So if you don't want to turn the front section into a bun or puff, as well crochet some hair in front to have a different look. So what you will do is to add some gel, comb your hair, brush it, and put it into a ponytail. Don't forget to bring in the stitches, the end of the stitches from the back, and you hold them into a ponytail like this. So the hair attached here is a normal fruit lock. So you can cut it or you can make it to be long. I don't want my own to be too long, so I cut it into two and divide it and crochet it in. First you crochet the area where your ponytail is so that you will use it to cover the ponytail before you crochet the one that will be the band. My daughter is here to say hi. I have done so many hairs on my channel on how to crochet, so please you can go back and watch some of those videos so that you know how to crochet, because I did the videos in details. So you have to cover the ponytail with the hair that you have crocheted in already and hold them with the bobby pins. So after the crochet, you trim, you style, then I apply a leave-in oil shine to add shine to the hair. Yeah, and we are done.
To the E to the K, nah, nah, nah. K. Boss, if you see every time what to do, jump is in the time when you gotta go. Yeah. She wants water to my gypsy girl, something to myself. She wants water. Keep me money on my place. She looking at my eye order. He wants water. Keep me moving so quick, you never see her coming. She wants to wander. She on me.
Yeah, I added some accessories on the stitches area to also add beauty to it. So I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you have not yet subscribed, please click on the subscribe button and join the family. We appreciate to have you, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that you will be the first person to get my notification whenever I upload. So thank you so much for watching. and I will see you very soon. Always remain blessed.
Only you in my Bugatti. Only you in my Bugatti.
See my gypsy girl, something to myself.
She wants water.
He be money in my place, she looking at my eye order.
He wants water.
She be moving so quick, you never see her coming.